Hello everyone and welcome. Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to delete AdSense account. Deleting your AdSense account is a permanent action, so it's important to be sure before you proceed. Now here's the breakdown of the process and things to consider. Before you delete, ensure you've met the payment threshold and received all due payments. If you delete your account before reaching the threshold, you may forfeit any earnings. If you're monetizing a website or YouTube channel, have a plan in place for alternative monetization strategies before deleting your AdSense account. AdSense doesn't offer a direct export of your historical data, so if you need records, you should manually save any reports or information you require before closing the account. Account cancellation is irreversible. Once you delete your AdSense account, you cannot reactivate it. You will have to apply again from scratch if you decide to use AdSense in the future. So these are the steps to delete your AdSense account, if you still insist to do that. Number 1, that is step 1, sign into your AdSense account. Step 2, click on account in the left-hand navigation menu. Step 3, click on account information. Step 4, scroll down to the close account section. Step 5, click the close account button. Click the button. Step 6, follow the on-screen instruction. You will likely be asked to confirm your choice and provide a reason for closing your account. It's as simple as that. Now, consider these important points before you continue. If your AdSense account is linked to other Google services like YouTube, you might need to take additional steps to unlink them before closing the AdSense account. For YouTube, you will manage monetization directly through the YouTube Studio. After closing your account, you must remove the AdSense ad code from your website or other platforms. Failure to do so could potentially lead to policy violations even after your account is closed. The actual closure of your account might not be immediate. There could be a processing period. So if you have trouble, don't forget to contact Google's AdSense Help Center, which is a valuable resource for troubleshooting. If you encounter any problems during the deletion process, you can contact AdSense support for assistance. Alternative is disabling AdSense on the website instead of totally cancelling the account. If you only want to stop showing ads on a specific website but keep your AdSense account active for other uses, you can remove the ad code from that particular site without closing your entire account. This is a good option if you think you might use AdSense on that site again in the future. In short, carefully consider the implications before deleting your AdSense account. Make sure you've addressed payments, alternative monetization, and data needs. If you're unsure, disabling AdSense on individual sites might be a better temporary solution. Hope you found the video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks.